am Ajaz Akram. Today topic is that 5 creative ideas for you. Smart Plant Assistant. Develop a mobile app that uses artificial intelligence and image recognition to identify different types of plants. Users can take a picture of a plant, and the app will provide information about its care instructions, watering schedule, and potential diseases. The app can also send reminders to users when it's time to water or fertilize their plants. Interactive storytelling game. Create an interactive storytelling game where players can make choices that affect the outcome of the story. The game could have multiple branching paths, allowing players to explore different storylines and endings. Include captivating visuals, immersive sound effects, and engaging characters to enhance the gameplay experience. Virtual reality fitness adventure. Combine the benefits of exercise and virtual reality by designing a fitness adventure game. Players can wear VR headsets and use motion controllers to navigate through various virtual environments while engaging in physical activities. The game can include challenges like climbing mountains, solving puzzles, and battling virtual creatures, making exercise more enjoyable and motivating. Personalized recipe generator. Build a web application that generates personalized recipes based on the user's dietary preferences, available ingredients, and nutritional needs. Users can input their dietary restrictions, ingredients they have on hand, and desired meal type, breakfast, lunch, dinner, to receive recipe suggestions tailored to their preferences. The app could also provide nutritional information and suggest alternatives for specific ingredients. Sustainable fashion marketplace. Create an online platform that connects sustainable fashion brands with eco-conscious consumers. The marketplace can feature clothing, accessories, and beauty products made from ethically sourced materials, with a focus on reducing waste and promoting fair trade. The platform could also include educational resources on sustainable fashion practices and allow users to track their environmental impact through their purchases. Remember, these are just starting points, and you can further develop and refine these ideas to suit your specific interests and goals.